In today's video, I'm going to teach you common Canva design mistakes to avoid. If you want your Canva designs to look clean, professional, and easy to understand, avoiding a few common mistakes can make a huge difference. A lot of design problems don't come from a lack of creativity. They usually happen because too many elements are competing for attention at the same time. So in this video, I'll walk you through the most important things to watch for before you finish your design. One of the most common mistakes is using too many fonts. It may be tempting to try several styles in one project, but that usually makes the design feel messy and inconsistent. A better approach is to stick to 2 or 3 fonts at most. This keeps everything looking intentional and makes your content easier to read. Another issue is overcrowding your design. When every space is filled, the viewer doesn't know where to look first. Leaving enough empty space helps your design breathe and gives important elements more impact. Simple layouts often look more polished than crowded ones. Image quality also matters a lot. If you use blurry or low-quality visuals, the entire design can feel less professional. Try to choose clear, high-resolution images so your final result looks sharp and trustworthy. Alignment is another detail that can instantly improve your work. If text boxes, icons, and images aren't lined up properly, the design can feel unorganized, even if everything else is good. Canva's guides are very helpful here, so use them to keep elements neat and balanced. It's also easy to overdo color. Using too many colors can make a design feel chaotic and distract from your message. Keeping your color palette simple and consistent helps create a more cohesive look. Text size is especially important, particularly for people viewing your design on a phone. If the text is too small, people may skip it entirely. Make sure your wording is large enough to read comfortably at a glance. Be careful when resizing images as well. Stretching them incorrectly can make them look distorted and unprofessional. To avoid that, resize images proportionally so they keep their original shape. Margins and spacing are often overlooked, but they matter. Keep important text away from the edges so nothing feels cramped or gets cut off. Before you download or share anything, take a moment to review the final design carefully. Check the text, spacing, image quality, and overall balance. And finally, watch out for pro elements. Before finishing your design, check for the Pro badge so you don't accidentally include something you can't use. Paying attention to these details will help your Canva designs look cleaner, stronger, and much more professional.